Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to set up trusted place on the Samsung Galaxy A16. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, just search trusted place. Now from here, just tap on trusted places. Now from here, tap on set screen lock. Now from here, tap on continue. Tap on next. Now from here, just enter a screen lock. We will select pin. Now from here, once you have entered your screen lock, just tap on continue, tap on use anyway. Now from here, just enter the password again, just to confirm. Now from here, tap on OK. Now from here, tap on continue. Now from here, just enter your pin. Now from here, go back and tap on trusted place. Now from here, just enter your PIN to verify that it is you. Tap on continue. Now from here, just tap on add trusted place. Now from here, tap on choose on map. Now from here, just select the place where you want to set a trusted place. We will select this place and tap on this place. Now from here, just tap on add. Now from here, just enter your PIN to verify that it is you. Now from here, tap on continue. Now as you can see, we have added a trusted place. Now from here, once you added the trusted place and your smartphone detects that you are currently in the trusted place you just set, the lock screen on your smartphone will be disabled, because the smartphone will detect that you are currently in a trusted place. And also, as you can see, when your device is away from your trusted place, like your home or your office, some settings will require additional steps to verify that it is you. And this is how you can enable trusted place on the Samsung Galaxy A16. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.